For this demo, we're going to uh, set up an API web point, and then we're going to connect to a database, and the JSON posted to the API endpoint will be inserted into the database. Okay, so first we'll have a web server, and then that is connected to a SQL Server destination, and then we'll send a canned response to the customer who's calling the API endpoint. And then we'll end that. So first we'll set up the web server. So this web ID is a unique uh, ID for the endpoint. For the database, we'll insert into the customers table. So the customers table in the database replicated. So we'll peek at what's inside, and so there's no record in there. Okay, and then we'll send a response to the client. And we don't have to configure anything else. Okay, so this web service is going to have this ID, so we'll copy that, and then we'll use a postman to post data to the web server. Okay, so copy the ID, then the login, then we'll set the content type to application JSON, and in the body we'll put the array of customers that is going to be inserted into the database, and we'll set the type to JSON. Uh, I will first demo a failure, so I'll put a wrong username in there. So it says unauthorized. Now I'm going to send the correct. Oh, sorry, I haven't played this one yet. So we'll play the. Okay, so it's now running. I will send data to it via postman. So the response has been received, and So 200 HTTP code 200, so it's successful. And the nodes are all green, so this one has retrieved this input. It has sent it to SQL Server, and this one he responded to the client. Now we'll look at the SQL Server and see the data inserted to it. So that is successful. So the next thing that we'll do is we're going to save this. We'll name it as Json web service to Mssql server and save that. Next, we'll deploy that to the cluster. So this server is offline, so it will be another server will take it. Okay, so now it's active. It has been picked up by the server. So let's have a look at the logs. Oh, we have to send data to the web service. Okay, so first we'll delete the records from the database. Okay, now we'll have a look. So it's empty. Now this URL is for the uh, development environment. So I will clone this and rename this one. Oh, sorry. I'll duplicate this one again and rename this as process JSON. Then we'll call this live. Okay, so the live listens to this endpoint, and it has the same ID. Okay, so let's try that. So, okay, so it's successful. Let's have a look at the logs. So it has processed that. And let's check the data in the database. So it's successfully uploaded. That's the end of the demo.